Highlighters and 18, share ko lang yung naging experience namin. On the first day of the opening of Simula at Wakas experience at Gateway. Hello Highlighters and 18, it's Leo and Paul here. And you know the drill, di ba hindi kami nagpapahuli sa chismis? Kaya yan, nagpunta na agad to try this experience. At hindi naman halatang excited kami, no? So let's go! Upon entry, you'll get a random photo card. I've got Stel and Paul got Josh. Hindi ko man nakuha yung bias ko na si Justin. At least bias record ko nandun si Josh. First activity 18, you'll visit the BR zone. Wherein you'll have a chance to see SB19 up close. It's a fun, wild, at nakakatawang experience. Sobrang kulit nila, promise. At ang sarap kasama ng 18, grabe yung hiyawan. And after the BR, the next attraction would be the Dam Walkway, wherein you'll see photo exhibits, paintings like this one, and the costume they have used from their music video. Kung pwede lang isuot yung costume ni Jae, no? And next up, we're going to visit the Art of So, wherein you'll able to vision lahat ng kanilang paghihirap, how the logo was made, sinong inspiration nila, yung mga costume na ginamit nila, at syempre, and works ni Francis Libiran. Next up is the Discovery Space. So medyo fun yung activity rin here. There's this my newfound hope activity wall to take a moment to reflect by choosing a string that represents the hope awakened within you by the album. Diba ang nice? It's a form of connection na rin. In between 18, SB19, yung mga tumulong sa kanila sa simula at wakas, and of course, sa mga nag-inspire para umabot sila hanggang dito. So yan, after choosing your string, you need to attach it on this wall. And next up, there's a fingerprint activity wherein you need to stamp your fingerprint on the tree mosaic. O diba? Feel mo na talaga yung pagiging part ng SB19. Kaya it's a one-of-a-kind experience talaga, 18. How I wish ka nandito rin ng SB19 at bigla ka nalang i-surprise. Huy! Next area is the shop. Nandito rin yung mga ginamit nila sa Dungka na music video. And of course, the dam. Ang nice here is that yan, pwede ka makipag-selfie and groupie. Plus, you could buy this limited edition So merchandise. Oh, may LSB, keychain, tumblers, books, photo cards, shirts, which comes in 2 different options. And of course, there's a tote bag din. Siyempre, paglalagay mo ng mga nabili mo. And tignan nyo si Leo, angas oh. Huy! Next area is the projection gallery, wherein yung nakikita nyo nakaproject sa wall, nag-iiba-iba from time to time. Pwede rin kayo mag-TikTok dance dito, huy! And the last we have visited is the lair, wherein andito yung dam tree and the throne. Kayo, kailan kayo pupunta 18 and highlighters?